Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY with some rolling pins. I absolutely love rolling pins. I don't know why, but I do. I really like the older ones are my favorite, and I like when they have really unique handles. These ones are pretty plain Jane, so I'm going to be using these ones. I already did one just to see how I would like it. Paint it, and I just put on there 25-cent kisses for Valentine's Day, and I thought it turned out really cute. I was actually going to load up a few of these while I was cleaning out my back room, and I was going to take them to Goodwill, but, and I said back room, not bathroom, like a little storage room I have. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and paint these, and if they turn out bad, well, I can pitch them, and if they turn out cute, then I'll keep them, and I thought this one turned out adorable. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to paint these two. I'm going to do one pink for sure, and I'm not sure if I want to leave these handles this color. I don't know. I might paint them white, or I may do black. I don't like a lot of black at Valentine's Day, but sometimes black is just what you need, even though it sounds kind of dark. I don't know. Anyways, let's get started. I'm just using this little thing that I've already used in a paintbrush, but I'm going to go ahead and you know what, I already have pink, so I don't have to mix it. So I'm just going to use this pink right here. It's a light pink. It's a rose color. Wait, my camera's not focusing on it. But they're from Michael's. They're like 50 cents or something like that. They're not too much. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to paint. I guess I'll start off with this one right here. Yeah, we'll use this one. And I'm just going to go ahead and give it a nice coat. You could use whatever paint you wanted. You could use chalk paint. Chalk paint would probably cover a little bit better, especially if you don't want to paint, you know, go over, like do several coats. That red one, I believe I used 2 coats of the red, but it actually covered pretty nicely. And I used the exact same paint except for in the red color. And that one, just in case, it is this one. It's red, Rogue, and then and it says Rojo for red in El Espanol, I guess. So, but once again, and I think Walmart has those too for 50 cents or pennies on the dollar, not much. So, and be generous because this, with the paint, because the paint does just soak right in. Alright, so I'm just going to finish painting this and let it dry, and that was where a sticker was on it, but we're going to try to cover that with some paint. Hopefully that works. So I'm going to finish painting this and I'm going to let it dry, and I'll be right back. Alright, so the first coat dried already, so let's go ahead and go in with the second coat, and then we will let that one dry as well. And I just kind of balanced it on those 2 bowls. That way it could dry evenly and I wouldn't have to hold it. So once again, be really generous with the paint. Alright, I'm going to do this all over and then I'll be right back. Okay. So I've let this dry, so this looks pretty good now. So what I was going to do is, before I write something on this one, I'm just going to paint this one. I decided I'm going to go ahead and paint this one white, and I think I'm going to do pink handles on this one. So really quick, let's just get this one painted white too, and then we'll do the fun parts of writing. Once again, I'm just going in with that white paint, 50 cents. Oop. Okay. And you know what? I was thinking, I had on the other one where I had like that little sticker, I should have got a little piece of sandpaper and rubbed it, but I didn't. So that's okay though, because it did cover. So I'm just going to go ahead and go in there and paint this one. And on the white paint, it'd probably be better to use chalk paint if you have it, because they'd probably cover a lot better, but the coverage is actually pretty good with these paints. Oops. Just gonna paint this all white. So I'm gonna go in and paint this white, and then I'll be back when I paint the handles pink. Alright guys, so I am back. It's actually the next day. I jumped in the shower last night and I kind of fell asleep early. So I went on ahead and painted this white. It's completely dry. So I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm going to leave these handles the color they are, but I'm going to paint these ones the pink color. So let's do that really quick. Yeah, I'm going to leave the pink one alone and paint the white handles. Whoops. Paint the white handles the pink color I have. And the red one, it dried. This one that I did, it dried really quickly. I painted it, I think, probably like in 15-20 minutes. It didn't, you know, take too long to dry, but let's get this all done. And this one's gonna probably need like 2 coats. Alright, I'm going to paint the other one real quick, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so while this is drying, it's going to need 2 coats, definitely, at least. So, on this one, okay, you could write anything, obviously, but there's like, for Valentine's, be mine, honey, love, sweetheart, whatever. I'm going to write... on either one of these, I'm going to write XOXO, and on the other one, I want to write love. I'm trying to decide which one I want to write XOXO on, and then love. See, I kind of thought it'd be cute to write XOXO on this one with the pink, and then love in the red on the pink one. Decisions. I'm going to let this dry. And then I'm going to do a second coat. And then I'll come back on here and write whatever I decide I'm going to write. Alright, now that these handles are dried, and I'm going to go ahead and find the better looking side of this. And then I'm just going to write XOXO in the pink color. Kind of got a lot of paint for that, but that's okay. Hopefully it comes out nice. I don't have the best handwriting, but I'm gonna make sure my handle sides are up. I guess it doesn't matter because they turn. Alright. And if you have nicer handwriting, these would come out nicer, but my handwriting's kind of I guess it's nice enough, but actually that X came out kind of cute. Put it in there. And it might be really cute if we had some like pink ribbon to tie at the other end. I have this red ribbon, but that's all I have. I don't know if it'd look good with all the pink. I don't think it would. Alright, the XOXO. I might try to do a little heart too at the top. I don't know. We'll see real quick. My gosh. No paint on here. There we go. There we go. That looks cute. Alright, I guess I'm going to go in with a little paint and do right here. I'm going to try anyways to do a little heart. Hopefully it doesn't mess up. And I think it did kind of, well, I can always paint over it. Oh, actually it's looking cute. Okay, never mind. Here we go. Fill it in. There we go. I think that looks really cute. So, while that's drying, I'm just going to go ahead and do this one. And I don't know why I got so much pink, but I did. So, this one is going to do, I'm going to write love on there. And then possibly, I don't want to do a black heart, maybe like a red heart or something. That's how they turned out. Actually, I think they're really cute. I mean, if you have some old rolling pins laying around that you don't care if you mess up on or whatever, I just think they're cute. I'll probably put them in, like, I don't know if I have a basket or something. I don't know. I'm going to figure out something and then I will show you how I display them. Alright, you know what? Actually, I changed my mind again. I'm going to, because this one's looking kind of plain, I'm just going to try doing 3 red hearts over here off to the side. And if they don't work, I'm just going to paint over them. But I'm going to try really hard to do 3. So here are the 3 hearts that I did. I'm just going to go over them in black. Hopefully it makes it look a little bit neater. Alright, here we go. Alright, here's one way of displaying it if you wanted to. I'm going to show you just a couple different options. I'm not sure which option I'll be picking, but I'll show you another one. Alright, and here is another look that you could do. I know it kind of blocks off some of like the words and the writing, but it still looks cute. I actually really like this one. I think I may leave this one. And then I have one more to show you. And here is the last look that you could do, but I think they're all cute, but I think I'm gonna go with the second look. That's how I'm gonna have it. And there's a shadow. Sorry about that, but let me kind of scoot up. Alright guys, that'll do it for today. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video.